Introducing the stunning 2020 Volvo XC40 T3 MOM 5-door in sleek grey. This estate Jeep boasts a powerful 1.5-litre petrol engine with manual transmission for a smooth ride. Loaded with top-of-the-line comfort and safety features, including satellite navigation, collision avoidance braking, and lane departure warning. The interior offers below-seat storage, cup holders, and luxury trim for a luxurious driving experience. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty for peace of mind. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information on this exceptional Volvo Xc40 T3 MOM 5-door. Elevate your driving experience today.